And during this time of year, it's always a lot going on between the baking that's happening in the back and, of course, sharing all the baked goods with our customers. For the winter, we have awesome cinnamon rolls and other specials that we make. It's really a unique time to come in the bakery and get a sense of just the amount that we share these baked goods with the community. It's a totally different experience than just buying something online, having it delivered to your door. Being in the bakery is definitely part of the whole deal, to get the aromas and see all of the different products together. You can see like just beautiful changes in the textures and the shapes. It's super appealing to the eye everywhere you look. And when you add kind of the beautiful decor for this part of the year, it's that much better. I always love this time of year. Super happy with what's happened in this space. Our manager, Christine, did an amazing job with the decor. You can tell that we've been running this particular location for a few years because the little added touches are starting to come to life here. Whereas, some of our newer locations we're still just figuring out the basics. We haven't gotten to the decorations and whatnot. So I love this time of year and encourage everybody to come visit us here in downtown Mesa or at the other locations as well. If you're nearby, you can try things that you've never tried before. If you come to the markets regularly, coming into the bakery, you get to see things that we don't always bring out to the markets. The cinnamon rolls are a really good example. Anything that has some sort of perishability, we don't bring out to the market. So filled croissants or cinnamon rolls, some of those things, as well as, of course, all of our other retail items like flour and everything else. You also don't get to see, the bakers working in the background at the markets or get the whole aroma of bakery. Our Mesa location now has nice seating outside, and it's beautiful weather out. So really a lot of reasons to come by during this holiday season into the bakery.